Hey guys, welcome back to another video. As you guys see, today we're gonna see how long until CFT comes by. No idea if CFT coming or not. I'm just gonna be over here waiting, I guess. And truck spawning to how many people honks. And what kind of car. So comment down below if you want me to get a certain car to honk, like Lexus, Dodge, Chevy. Tell me. I get 3 of them to honk, as many as you want me to get honked. 5 and under. 5 is the max you can do. Trucks is 10. Trucks is a honk. So you pick 50 in a Ford L9 LTL 959 or even a semi 400 truck honks. It will be counting as 52 points. And they're actually from Doctor Strange movie. So I pictured it and it had like very little water. And you guys should always swallow a pill, especially one of those big ones, like that big, around that big. This, hey, I mean, you choke of it. You should drink water with it. Nice. Not YouTuber. Old lady honked. Heck, even the old people honk. They know what the arm pump is. New people are like, what is that? What is that kid doing? They're like, what is that kid doing? What the heck? What is that kid doing? Yeah. They are like, what is that guy doing? Okay, 2 looked, 1 honked. 1 was, I don't know what that is. What was the kind of Toyota? It's a Prius. I think it's a Prius, I don't know. Some people that my truck songs is this. Says this. Oh, a Freight Nano, pull out beam. Oh, Jesus. I'm gonna do the arm pump. Aw, dang it. Come on, TD Lee. I know you want home, but why? My arm was super tired. I felt like it was going to fall off yesterday. You also always do the arm pump, especially when Thanksgiving. Do the arm pump to the trucks. If they honk, they're thankful. If they don't honk, they're not thankful. Oh, nice fight now. Whoa, but they have ones, they have house. They have ones. Oh, nice wooden car. Nice. She actually wooden car for once in her life. She come in wooden car. You don't see that in the Dodge. Good. Hey, Chevy honk. That's what I call a Chevrolet honk, though. Y'all hate my puns and catchphrases. I don't blame you. It says join our team for RNC. Look, weird camera on this Toyota here. Weird brown. Brown ugly. I don't like that brown. Chrysler. They're like, I'm an old lady, I don't want to honk. What me is, you guys know, old people know what the horn means, especially in a truck driver. I posted this 2 gigabyte video, almost 12 minutes. What does it always mean? I like this weird rust color. Nice, good. Sound like a train horn. Sound like a choo-choo train horn. Y'all wonder why the Brody video said toasting, something like that as the CH words. Well, I spell the choo-choo train horn, but did that instead. So, sorry guys. Y'all didn't know what I meant. A nice choo-choo. It's not NPR, but NPR is smaller than that. Hello. Come on, honk your horn. Okay, ETR. Okay, ETRO or ETRO or something like that. Nice. Come on, DMC. Come on, Dodge. Oh. Hey, DMC, thanks for honking. Nice. Here, shotgun. That's just it. Or, hey, that's that Kimwolf up there. My favorite Kimwolf. The one with the 2 axles and 1 axle trailer. That kind of looks like it kind of looks like a retired post office truck. No, Honda Odyssey. Odyssey, I don't know. Gotta know. Hey, BMW, I haven't got one y'all two honking in a while. Hey, Dodge. Love it, customly. Oh, crap. Nope. Look at this truck. Big wig. Nice, a Ford or something on the back there. Sweet. Go avoid driving. Either go or avoid very long hair. Hey, they fucking. Heck yeah! They did 7 haircuts to Kimwolf this month. Truck, I see the going big. I think there's an NPR coming up behind me. You put a cigarette in your mouth like I'm a pro. All he needs is those black Minecraft sunglasses. That's all he needs. Then he's a pro. I want to addition to my deflection. Do it now. Hey! Watch up behind the. I like you in the honk. I want to get all the cars so used to see me when they go by, they honk the horn. Savvy, you're a bit severely not good. To my cigarette, they were difficult. I'm having difficulty swallowing a pill, but I hardly had water with it. She said, are you okay? Yeah, I need to drink more water, but I'm not that good at swallowing pills. Very not true. I'm lying about that. I can't drink. I'm good at drinking pills, swallowing pills. It said tastes like strawberry. I was like, really? So you want to kiss and bite the pill? Good idea. Mocking me. Horn doesn't work. Now if it's an older car, I don't care if the horn doesn't work. It's still nice, especially if it's something like that. I only do almost to them bad. They might have an Uga or a Duke of Hazzard. Mom be asking if I see a horn. Ooh, a boat horn. Boat driver when they see me. They're all surprised looking. Ooh, they honk at him. Holy crap, they a boat horn, they train horn. Dodge, yeah. I kept Dodge. I kept Chrysler. Let's going. Nice. adjusting. Nice, my foot guard actually. You guys are like, how dirty can I get? That's how dirty. I love the sunning in the today surprise for you. I'm getting weird groups today, guys. Like, oh, again, like, if you guys make a group with me, if I do it, sorry. Suzu and PR. I want to see Suzu Roadie. I haven't seen one since we pushed the one over there out into the out of the road, like out of the propane area. Wait a minute, this street car guy got in the convoy, honk a horn every time y'all go by. I don't care if it's a bow horn or train horn. Like if I'm out here, you have a normal horn, honk it. Not like that. Hey, Pontiac. Pontiac. Mercedes. Haven't got one of those in a while to honk. DMC. Denali. The LEDs. One thing I don't think I realized, I don't know why that car took so long to turn. One thing I didn't realize, if you're turning into somewhere, you're not in the lane if you're in the closest lane to the area, you should only take 15 seconds, really. There's no reason to take 5 minutes trying to take a turn, especially when people slow down traffic. Now, if there's cars in front of you and can't go really moving, can't go that fast, and there's someone like me in the way, just honk at them and tell them to move out of the way. Nicely, very nicely. Nice Dodge, and a Hummer, and a Ford, and a Jeep. I'm gonna stop doing the arm up to them. They're not honking. Unclip it when truck comes. Okay, so what I didn't know is the video is 13 minutes long, so I have to end the video. I'm only gonna try to do 10 minutes to 10 minutes of videos today, guys. So, maybe I just filmed shorts today for y'all. There's videos a minute and under long for how long they are, and I just film what I used to do. Film all the trucks, film very short videos of them going by, like 5 of them at least. I don't like to film a whole bunch of me. Hey, that's bad. Alright guys, stay safe, stay trucking. Bye.